The Gross Reservoir Expansion Project is a project by Denver Water to increase our supplies, especially on the north end of our system. The award of the 404 permit, the record of decision, is a huge step forward for the Gross Reservoir Project.
It is the culmination of work on a part of a lot of stakeholders over the last 13 years. It was really this dedication of these people hoping to find a common solution to provide a reliable, resilient water supply for the Denver customers, as well as protecting our stream habitat and the environment.
Historically, Denver Water, when they needed water, they would go it alone. The Gross Reservoir Expansion Project came about as a result of Two Forks not being allowed to go forward.
I've been involved with the Gross Reservoir Expansion Project since its inception in 2003. After the Two Forks Dam and Reservoir veto that happened in around 1990, Denver Water really fundamentally changed its approach to water supply planning. We've been able to forge a new collaboration with the West Slope. It was a fundamental change in how all these adversarial stakeholders fought and litigated. People committed to staying at the table so that they could start building a trust.
The dialogue has shifted. At Denver Water, it's no longer us versus them. We work with communities, we work with the environment, and we make sure that the old fights between East Slope and West Slope, rural and urban, are no longer what define us as a state, certainly don't define us as Denver Water. Denver Water agreed to do some incredibly innovative things to minimize the impacts to the environment on the West Slope and also to help the communities and where this water would come from.
In fact, EPA just wrote a letter to the Corps of Engineers really commending the extensive mitigation plan that we put together. With the Gross Reservoir Expansion permit, we're going to be doing some stream restoration projects on both the East Slope and the West Slope. We'll be working to restore and enhance the cutthroat trout habitat in the upper Colorado River. We'll be monitoring stream temperature, water quality, the aquatic insects in the streams where we're diverting. And we'll be maintaining the Fraser River sediment pond that captures sediment in the river and prevents it from clogging up the aquatic habitat in the Fraser River. I'm just so proud to be at the table with all these stakeholders that once were such adversaries, and now we're working together. It's just a new way of doing business that I think is going to be very optimistic for the future for water supply development and protection of our aquatic environment.
The legacy of the Gross Reservoir Expansion will certainly be providing additional water supplies to the Denver metro area. That's critical to who we are. I'm convinced the thing people will remember 100 years from now was the shift from one of antagonism to collaboration, and that I think will truly be what stands the test of time.